Yeah, you know I never left. Yeah, Ghetto Mixtape 2012. Yeah, you know what's good, homie. Hey yo, my rhymes are basic, but at least I'm not on no gay shit. Keep denying the look in your eye can find. Run home and start crying. Hold my tracks 100% real, no lying. You can face it, or I'ma take some bath salts and leave you faceless. You won't be Nick Cage, but you'll have a face off. Don't hate, embrace it. And try not to let my life be wasted. I've been round the block, this hood shit, that was my daily basis. Don't knock it, you only seen these places. I was born and raised, never regret these ghetto days. But don't kill you, makes you stronger. So I'ma smoke a couple balls and maybe my flow will last longer. When I spit I go, not too quick but not too slow. Ghetto Mixtape coming straight from my phone.
The champ is here. The champ is here. The champ is here. The champ is here. The champ is here.
Yeah, intense bro.
The champ is here.
Yeah. Hey yo, they be calling me the champ, real I am, but you can call me CnC. I'm a Debo the game, call it the ultimate PNE. Flow so vicious, I got Sid laying here, need a stitches. Yo, can take the fame, I just want the money and the bitches. Remember my name, cause when I'm on top, I'm spitting on you lames. Life's no game that I'm playing, these words that I'm saying, no jokes. So don't fuck around unless you're ready to go. There's no threat, I'm just letting you know. Got no money, but I got flow, and enough to take your honey, and I'ma go. I'ma own the throne, see me, hear me, invade your home. It's the Ghetto Mixtape coming to raid your dome. SAR to the NIA, watch out, I'ma leave you MIA.